Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and today we're going to be exploring a very interesting topic called HTML box comments. And you might be wondering, what exactly is a box comment? So I have my code editor right here, and we're going to go to an example of a page that actually has a box comment. So I might get this wrong, but this is one of my websites that has a box comment on it, just to show you an example of it. So let's scroll down. And this is what a box comment is. It displays a text in a very interesting way. It's also a very good way to make Easter eggs. So we're going to be creating that today, and the process is fairly straightforward. So first of all, open your code editor, and then you can set it up the way you like. And I'm going to be using large text for this video, and we're going to name this box comments. So you should probably have some HTML code over here that you have already written. So here it's going to be some HTML code you've written. And then here is going to be some more HTML code you've written, and you want to put the box comment right in between these two pieces of code on line 11. And to do that, first of all, we need to make an HTML comment using the standard format, and then we are going to make this a multi-line comment. And then we need to get the text of the comment. And so most of us aren't super geniuses that can take boxes and make box comments instantly. So we have this wonderful website, which is in the description, that lets you create box comments. So we will create a box comment a few box comments actually. HTML box. Oh wait, yeah, so we already have. Oh, so I don't think it's gonna let me. Okay. So we're gonna print out our channel name. And we're going to select this one. We're gonna copy it, and we're going to paste it here. And it looks a little weird now because it's because our comment. I'm being dumb. Okay, so as you can see, we have our channel name, which is very cool. Next, we're going to put another comment, and we're going to do the more traditional style box comment, which is kind of like this. So we're going to copy, paste, then we're going to indent this. Actually, a smarter way to do this is in some code editors, you can just select all of your code and then tab and tab and tab, and then we will make WSB Studios. And this is common, so it's perfect for Easter eggs. If you want to just print it, which doesn't make it a comment, you can do that in a paragraph tag. And then you can do that, and then you can run the code. And then as we can see, we only see this one, which is a paragraph, and these are all left as comments. So thank you for watching this video. This isn't my usual content. I usually do tutorial. Well, this is technically a tutorial, but and then I'll be researching on stuff like cool stuff like secret code videos and VPN videos and cryptocurrency videos, which I made, and dark web videos, which I also made. So please hit that subscribe button and like button to help the algorithm, and thank you.